fi kó ọmọ mẹ́fẹ̀ẹ̀fà lọ. So that is also a proverb. Èrò yà wá, èrò yà wá, èrò yà wá. Or èrò yà wá o, èrò yà wá o, ẹ wá wo àwọn ọmọ mi mẹ́fẹ̀ẹ̀fà o, wọ́n beautiful. Come and look at my children, they are beautiful.
Èrò yà wá means people come.
Yeah, I will break it down.
Okay.
I will break everything down so that this is why this class is so good. I won't just say it just for the fun of saying it, but I'll break everything down so that you see. But this is out of IleOduduwa. This is not just any proverb that somebody just created. It's to teach a lesson. And the lesson will be what? Teach you any better. A man for work again. When your yam is big and ripe, when you cook it, keep it secretly until you're ready to give some out. Right? You can't just say, my yam is ripe. Everybody come and put it right at the corner of the room. Right? And they see it there. By next morning, you don't see your yam. Right? So start relating that to everything that's happening in your life. Relate it to it because the time will come. Decision-making time. This is where I'm going with this. Decision-making time for you. Decision-making time for the young African and the young African in America. Something happens suddenly. What are you going to do? If you can't think, call somebody that you think is reasonable. And then people say, what will they tell you first? If it's an elder, calm down. They say, calm down. Calm down. You see, eruption happens. Volcano eruption happens and then it comes down. Volcano, earthquake, noise making. And comes down again. Calm down. It's a storm. It's going to be all right. Issue any vagina. That's what you should use. A man fi ọwọ́ bò ó jẹ ni, right? Tí iṣu ẹni bá jiná, a máa fi ọwọ́ bò ó jẹ ni. All right? Yoruba proverb. So that relates to this. Right? It's not about greediness, but about what? It's not about being greedy. It's about what? Self-preservation?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Overly showing off.
Overly showing off.
Oh,
because when you are overly showing off, you go, and I'm so sorry, you have to apologize to thousands of people because you already made the publicity. Now, the thing did not come to fruition because of your planning, your approach to things. Right? It leads to all this. Okay, ready, Momefa? Onki gbe èrò yà wá, èrò yà wá, èrò yà wá. Igbe èrò yà wá ló ń ké tí wọ́n fi kó àwọn ọmọ mẹ́fẹ̀ẹ̀fà lọ. Wọ́n kó gbogbo wọn lọ. Nothing left. You know, that's a wicked person, right? He didn't even leave one. As a surviving witness to the horror. You know. And then I related it to this one as well, which is a Yoruba proverb. Tí iṣu ẹni bá jiná, a máa ń fọwọ́ bò ó jẹ ni. They say that. And an Igbo friend of mine said to me, why Yorubas always saying, Ashiriabo, do this? They always cover stuff. I said, that's because you are Igbo. You don't get it. We are saying that not because of greediness. We are saying it because you have to be careful. Not everybody loves you. Let's say you have a plan, and that plan turned into a project, and then you discuss with somebody. But before you brought your own out, the person already brought his own out, because you discussed it with the person and he put his name there bold. Who is the winner? The person that brought it out first. In confidence, you discuss the idea, not knowing that the guy is capturing tape and getting information. It will be said, all right, come again. And then you be giving him all the information in your heart. And the following week, you just see it all over the place. Your idea is out. Now you are mad at your friend, but you can't be mad at the world, because he's the one to first step out. Right? Okay, that's straightforward. So, I'm IleOduduwa.
Late morning.
Early morning dew. IleOduduwa. Morning dew. Tí ọjọ́ bá yọ, á pa IleOduduwa. And when they say tí ọjọ́ bá yọ, what is ọjọ́?
Day.
No. Yeah, it is day, but what are they referring to?
Sun.
Sun. Tí ọjọ́ bá yọ. Tọ́jọ́ bá yọ lówùúrọ̀, á kárí ayé. When the sun comes up, it touches the entire planet, right? That's what they say. Ọjọ́, sun.
Or day. Ọjọ́ is sun.
Or day. But this is more valid because without the sun, you don't see nothing. In my college days, when we talk about the most important thing in painting or in value study or in shade, we talk about darkness. And in the beginning, there was darkness. And when we turn off all this light, we don't see nothing. But when we just bring a candle into the room, we start seeing faces, we start seeing stuff. And then when we get the light brighter, then we start seeing things. So when we are erasing so that we can see the white of the paper, that is how we are depicting something emerging from the dark. Picking up that I was doing already as a teenager, but didn't know that was a concept until I got into college. I was just subconsciously I was doing it, But now I can now do it faster, way faster, because now I understand the principle of dark and light. Right? The same way you relate it to this. And anytime you see any Yoruba saying like that is elaborate like this, try to look for the meaning inside of that. Because the okere stands for you. The okere stands for anybody that you know.
But why?